Hey ladies, I'm really not great with makeup. I have someone to do my makeup for me. So they go through all the contour steps and all of that. Me, when I do it, it's just simply done. I use very little to no foundation, but that's me approaching beauty from inside out. I have a regimen for my skin, and I'm going to share that with you in a video, probably set for Foodie Friday because it includes some edible goodies. But my makeup is done, but I want to show you something. I am going to show you what I do with the Artisan Color Baked Bronzer from Black Radiance. Black Radiance is my go-to cosmetic. I love their foundation. I love their concealers. I love all of that. But I really love this. I go the top of my nose and I hit my cheeks because it acts as a blush for me. I use Ginger Snap. But when I want to go for a darker look, I usually use rum spice. But with the ginger snap, check it out. It's like it serves as my blusher, hits the cheekbones, and it gives my lips a pop of color. But I go over those again. I also use it as my sunny eye effect. That is the summer trend. Get the golden shimmers with Black Radiance Ginger Snap. You choose a color that suits you. I also use Rimmel, but like I said, Black Radiance is really my go-to makeup. I even use two different foundations. Sometimes they mix them. And going from day to night, I am wearing a top that I'm getting ready to go out. So what I am doing with this, of course, I was using just a light shade of, I think it was 5026 Black Radiance. Now I'm going to make the switch and do Victoria's Secret's Lip Plumper. It works because when you go out, you want to have a good pout. So let me see. There. So that's the pout. And again, I go over, around, and now Black Radiance. It is 3231 shimmering color because you want to use the shimmering color since you're going out. So there you have it. From day to night, I rely on Black Radiance. Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in Ginger Snap, and the 3231 shimmering color. Give your lips that perfect pout. And you wouldn't get that pout without Victoria's Secret's Lip Plumper. So that's my first makeup tutorial. So I would say this was maybe is a cheat because I already had my makeup on, but I just wanted to give you guys a glimmer of what I do with my makeup routine.